Okay, how do you connect your ringer to your volume buttons? Some people have a setting where they can't seem to get the buttons to control the ringer. If it just says volume, your ringer is not affected by the buttons. So you want to connect your ringer to the buttons. You do that in Settings. Scroll down a little bit from the top to Sounds and Haptics. And then right here, Ringer and Alerts. This controls the ringer, and this toggle switch controls whether or not your buttons are connected. Right now, it says the volume of the ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. Flip this toggle switch. The volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons. So now we'll go ahead, and now it says ringer volume. If you play a video or music or anything like that, you can still adjust the volume with these buttons, but now you will also adjust your ringer and alarm volume with your buttons. If you would like to take a private iPhone lesson over Skype or FaceTime, head over to smartphonelearningzone.com, where you can take private iPhone lessons and you can take full iPhone courses that are available online. Thanks.